This is in line with the LPG growth strategy, which was actually um, approved by the cabinet last year in October 2023. And LPG growth strategy has got four components. One is about the infrastructure development. This one is being done in Mombasa by Kenya Pipeline in collaboration with KPRL, and also we have other stakeholders like the one we visited this morning, that is Agbo, and also Agol, and also Lake Gas here. Those are the infrastructure we are supposed to look at it. This infrastructure is going to assist when we have the back procurement, so that the price of LPG will come down and we'll be able to reach our Kenya citizens, those people who are at a lower level also. Number two of the thematic area is also about regulation, which is being worked on by our State Council, as well as also EPRA, who have been actually almost at the final stage of all the document, together with also the open tender system, like what we have been doing in the fuel sector. That is number two. Number three is about how can we supply the subsidy cylinders, because the cost of gas is basically based on the cylinders, the gas itself, plus also some other accessories and a freight. That is now the areas maybe we can collectively look at it, so that already we have with above 12 million Kenyans who are not in LPG. Either they use partially LPG or they use charcoal or the firewood, including our public boarding schools, also the prisons, also the hospitals, NYS, and also the police. So we wanted, to get rid of all those things, because first, it will have, some impact on the environment. Two, also, it has got, some impact on respiratory diseases. So how are we targeting for the next, 10 years to make sure that, these people will be free from that? So out of the 12 million population, 40% we shall put it, under gas reticulation, the initiative which is actually being carried out, by our president as far as affordable housing is concerned. So we are remaining with 8.4 million. So 8.4 million are now those people who are going to get the subsidy cylinders in collaboration with our partners who are going to help us in the next 5 years. So having said this, then we are looking at the value chain of LPG from, the commercial facility, that is infrastructure. How can it, the region, so that, the private players can also chip in. Then from there, then the distribution, and then how can we reach that place. So LPG has got about 3 KPIs, that is key performance indicators. One is how to make, LPG to be affordable to Kenyan citizens. Two, how, this project will be accessible to Kenyans. And then the other three is about the safety and security of this particular project. Like Lake Gas, where we are now, the work is almost done about 99%. In the next maybe 4 or 5 months, we'll be able to complete to make sure it will be operational. Then the facility at KPR, the 2 gantries are already ready, the one we visited yesterday. Then from there, then how are we going to commission to ensure that now we'll be able, to move together. Initially, this project was supposed, to be completed earlier, but because of, the weather challenges we had last time, because of also the waves from the sea, plus also, the wetness and the rain. So from the assessment, I think now they have done almost 99%. So in the next maybe a month or so, they'll be able to be complete. And we pray that at least we'll be able now to make, the facility operational.